This was my room before. I took most things off of the wall, but basically my room had no style. It was pretty plain, and I kind of just wanted something refreshing and new. I went on Pinterest and saved a few images of what I wanted my room to look like, and from there I began to buy pieces that were similar to the ones in the images. In the meantime, I got to work. I painted my walls the same color, just a basic white. I feel like repainting my room made the walls look clean and bright. I bought this macrame woven wall hanging on Amazon for around 17 bucks. Then I basically just put 2 screws in the wall, one right above the other, and I just placed 2 hats that I already had in my closet. I also got these wood floating shelves off of Amazon for around 25 bucks. Next, I installed some curtain rods that I also got off of Amazon. These cost around 24 bucks. I then installed these white shelves, which I got from Lowe's for around 9 bucks. I was gonna buy new blinds, but they were really expensive, so I just bought brown spray paint and had my own little DIY project. I went to a few different thrift stores and bought these items. They were pretty affordable and unique, and I thought they were really cute. I really like how my DIY blinds came out. I wanted them to look wooden, and I feel like they did definitely get that effect. I wanted my workspace to be more practical rather than aesthetic, so I didn't spend too much time on it. I also use a gaming chair to study just because it's super comfortable, but it didn't fit the aesthetic of the room, so I didn't add it in the video. And I forgot to mention, I got the 2 mirrors above my dresser for free from one of my aunts because she was giving them away. So I lucked out. Got the smaller plants from Lowe's and Target, and the larger plant I already had in my house. I got this lamp from Target for 15 bucks. Overall, I'm really happy with how it turned out. I feel like this is a space that is more me. The space just feels more comfortable and brighter. I feel like it's a more relaxing space to be in. Yeah, I'm just glad that it didn't cost me that much. Now I have a more satisfying place to study and sleep.